Hello, it's me, Vicky, again. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about here, here, there, and over there. Okay? So, when we're talking about close to where I am, it's here. When it's a bit further away, a little bit of a distance, it's there. When it's even more distance, further away, it's over there. So here, here, there, over there. It's all about distance. So let's have an example with here. Come here, I want to tell you something. Come here, I want to tell you something. Okay, because that is bringing someone here to me. Whereas when I'm talking about there, it's a little bit further away, more distance, near distance. I bought it in that supermarket. I always do my shopping there. Okay, and that is what would always go with this. These demonstrative pronouns, we're going to look at them at the end of the videos when I finish giving these examples. That supermarket, because you know we say this phone if it's here, that phone a little bit further away, but that phone over there when it's even more distance. So I bought it in that supermarket. I always do my shopping there. And further away again, we have over there, further distance. My mother was born in Manchester, but she doesn't live there now. She doesn't live over there now, further distance. She lives here. My mother was born in Manchester, but she doesn't live over there now. She lives here. Here, near me. So it's all a question of distance. So with here, the demonstrative adjectives that go with here are this and these. This book here. These plural dogs here. Here, near me. This book here. These dogs here. But a little bit further distance away, we've got that and these. Sorry, those. Oh my goodness. That and those. So, that car there at the side of my house is mine. Or if it was plural, it would be those cars there at the side of my house are mine. And then over there, further distance, yeah, but it's the same demonstrative adjectives as just there. We don't, in English, we don't have another way of expressing further distance except for over there. Those boys over there are my brothers. That chair over there is free, for example. Okay, does that make sense? Let's practice the pronunciation one more time. Here, there, over there. Here, there, over there. Here, come here, I want to tell you something. There, near distance. I bought it in that supermarket. I always do my shopping there. Over there, further distance. My mother was born in Manchester, but she doesn't live over there now. She lives here. So, with the word here goes this or these. This book here. These dogs here. Whereas with there goes that or those. That car at the side of the house is mine, or those cars at the side of the house are mine. The same with over there. We don't have another demonstrative adjective. That, those, over there. Those boys over there are my brothers. That chair over there is free. Okay. Thank you for watching. So, if you found that video useful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to see more videos on Easy English with Vicki, please subscribe. It's completely free. It doesn't cost anything. Anyway, okay, so as always, I will see you in really soon in the next video. And until then, may your God go with you. Bye.